Hi, I will walk you through the job detail view. So in the job requisitions, if we click on any of the jobs, it will take us to the detailed view of that particular job. So currently I'm clicking on one of the job. So this is the detailed view page of the job requisition. So on the top we can see the job title and the client from which the job is coming from and the client contact information. So these details are displayed. So we can also categorize this particular job based on whether it is any particular category. We can categorize this, and just by typing and entering the category will be displayed. So below is the job overview. We can see the candidates who are sourced for this particular job, and they are and whose the recruitment process is going on. So we can see their pipeline stage here. So all the list will be displayed for all the sourced candidates, and then below are the job details overview. So here we can see the location of the job, a description of the job, and number of open positions, and the status of this job, and work permit, job title, age, and skill set. So these details are displayed, and below the client details. So client name and contact information is displayed here. So this is the job overview, and next to the job overview there is edit details. So by clicking on edit details, we can see if you want to edit any of the job information, like if you want to change the job type to contract, and if you want to make this, if the recruitment process is completed, if you want to make this job inactive, we can also make it inactive. So that's how we can modify the information. And then next to this is the sourced candidates. So under the sourced candidate, we can see the list of all the candidates sourced for this particular job. If a manager or tech recruiter logs in, they will be able to approve or reject from here. Also, if a new candidate is been internally submitted for this particular job, we can approve or reject this based on the review. So this is about sourced candidates, and we can see the matched candidates. So under the matched candidates, the tool automatically displays the candidates based on the set weightage from the local repository. Whoever is the relevant candidates for this particular job, based on the weightage, the list of the candidates will be displayed here. And we can also configure the weightage. By default, weightage will be for the skill set, it will be 34, and experience 33, and location 33. So overall weightage will be 100%. So it should be 100%. So we are allowed to modify this based on the requirement. So but we should be ensuring the total shouldn't be 100%. So and below the classification classifier criteria. So if the candidate matches more than 60%, can be green, 50% can be shown as orange, and above below 40% can be shown as red. We can also change this criteria. It is allowed to be edited. So this is about setting the configuring the weightage. This configuration is mainly based on the skill set, experience, and location. So we can see if by clicking on any of the candidate, we can see how the weightage has been for that particular candidate. What is the weightage? So matched weightage is shown here. His 100% location, 100% experience. So if we see the other candidate, here it shows location 100%, but experience is only 64%. This is about the weightage for this particular thing. And we can also share this requisition to any of the candidate by clicking on the candidate. We can share the requisition by clicking on this. Automatically it picks the contact information, and we can share by customizing templates. we can also share the job requisition. The automated link will be generated, and this by using this link the candidate can apply from his location digitally to this particular job. Upon application of that job, the candidate will be shown in the sourced candidates, and it will come for the approval of the manager. So this is about match candidates, and we can see the documents section. So here we can upload any of the relevant documents related to this job by clicking on this add button. We can store the documents here. And the next is the notes or activities. We are allowed to enter any notes or checkboxes or checklists we can create here, and all the recent activities on the right side are related to this job. Whenever the recruiter performs any activities, recruitment related activities will be popped up here on the right side. On the top corner, we can see some action buttons such as a referral link. By clicking on the referral link, automated link will be generated, and we can copy this link and share to any for any referrals to apply for this position. So this is our referral link, and there is a broadcast job option also. So by there we can also broadcast this particular job in any of the career pages of a company website by checking this box, and by clicking on the Facebook or LinkedIn or Twitter buttons. This job will be posted in the social media pages. So automatically it logs into the it takes us to the company web page, and we can post the job. This is how we can post the job in social media pages, and we can also publish the job in different job boards. So currently it is integrated with the dice next and resume library. By checking the box, we can publish the position in these job boards. And we can also search. There is an integrated search option. We can also search this any candidate from the local repository or any integrated job boards. By using this option, we can automatically search the applicants. So, and there is a send email option, so we can send any email to any relate to get any information from the client, or if we want to send any email, we can use this option. And we can add applicants. So if we want to submit any candidate for internal submission or client submission, we can use this tab. So by clicking on the internal submission, it will this window will pop up, and we can select the candidates, and we can enter the details, and we can submit the candidate to internal submission. And for client submission, it will come as an email. So we can enter the information, and we can attach the custom template also, and then we can share. So we can select any defined template and send the email to the client for the client submission. So this is about the job detail view.